Wolves in the old gold. He'll be attacking the goal away to our right-hand side in this first half on a bitterly cold end down this right side. And he gets the cross in as well. And of course they're rock bottom of League Two, so long it goes from Collins. It's Chelsea at Anfield this weekend. Chelsea won't be. Can they keep it alive here? Totti trying to play it in, too close to.
He has to play through the middle more often than not.
Milner with a foul on Raul Jimenez.
Every club that he's played at, what an attitude, and you know, I met the youngsters in that midfield area by Chechi.
Not a problem. Well, it shouldn't have been a problem for Sarr. Almost presented it to Carvalho.
Yeah, I think Simicast just put him off slightly, didn't he? But that was actually a good build-up play from the left.
Keita. Signed from Fulham, of course. Gakpo. Forward by Johnny to Aït-Nouri.
To make the block.
Elliott. Oh, a beauty! What a majestic strike from Harvey Elliott. It absolutely flew in.
I've got to say, absolutely no chance for the goalkeeper. I'm not sure about his starting position, but it didn't look like it went very high, the strike from Harvey Elliott. But the vision, the awareness, he'll be a happy man. Certainly after what happened at the weekend. Clinical finish. Goalkeeper, you can see there the goalkeeper.
He's the outlet once more. Lembakisa on the overlap. Instead he plays it in towards Raul Jimenez, and it's a terrific start for Wolves.
Well, it's evident, isn't it, Gary, straight away what the tactics are for Wolves. It's to get it out to approach with the youngsters that are in the team.
Well, it's Jose Sarr putting that straight behind under pressure from Gakpo. This is more like the old. He's stunned. Simicast.
Further back.
Carvalho, Simicast! Always rising, but the shot was on.
It certainly was, but it wasn't a shot of a confident player, though, was it? You know, you've got to get your...
Johnny.
Not there, but you would say that Traore's pace is...
Moutinho, great look. Liverpool scored. Plus Wang, of course, who scored in the original tie. Wolves gave it away, and then a foul by Neves on cover. No, Thiago whips it in. Gakpo. Well, you won't get a penalty for that.
No, absolutely not. The referee was in a great position to see it, wasn't he? And once again, it was good build-up play.
Aït-Nouri. Konate with a Ronaldo. He bends it in. Vision. Not the only It's got to be offside there, Thiago.
Well, there's so many options when Liverpool are there. His position that he got into was very good. And there's the pace and the danger with Traore when he picks it up.
It was a bad giveaway by Chetic.
Yeah, it was.
Milner against Aït-Nouri. Free kick. Gets Gakpo.
Yeah, it was worth the hit, wasn't it? I mean, it wasn't the greatest of angles, a cute angle for him. You can see how disappointed he is.
Liverpool's first corner over Gomez. In a fiery tie. Carvalho, 2-0. Flags up.
Yeah, he looked offside, Gary, didn't he? He just went a little bit too soon. The
pass. Thiago.
We'll see the ball. Once you have to turn the other way, that's when it becomes more difficult for the defender.
Here's Traore. Well, that's the ball that worked so well for them early on in the game.
Glass his face, Gary, that's what he is. So proficient at anything over the top. Look, he should be second favourite here. Playing with the 5 at the back didn't help at all, and if anything, it was...
Konate flicks on. Great stretch from Collins. Flags up.
Yeah, flag was up. I think Konate was offside initially when the ball was played through. I don't think it was with the flick on. I think it might have been just before.
Just had too much. Tsimikas. It's a foul by Traoré. Going to get a yellow card for that as well.
Didn't look a great deal in that, did it?
Young man signed from Manchester City in the summer. Lembakisa.
Look confident of delivering with his left foot.
Wolves. Totti recovering well.
Yeah, this is the first one, and look, they've got in behind.
Ait Nouri, Naby Keita. Pass Mateus, that's ambitious. Ait Nouri again. Too close, we play on though. Naby Keita to Carvalho. Mikas on the outside. Gakpo vacated the space, the ball. Raul Jimenez. And Traoré with a wild effort, which has almost cleared the stand.
Yeah, he didn't.
Through for Gakpo. Good save. The flag has now gone up. Did look offside. And we should mention that Diego Costa is fit again and is on. Scored his first senior goal. And more bodies forward now, Wolves. When those crosses are coming in.
Yeah, well,
the ball. Semedo. Headed away. Is it enough though? Neves, what a ball, but it's going to be Ruben Neves. Oh, kisses the top of the net. He's calling for handball.
Well, I think the goalkeeper actually just palmed it over. I think that's what he's claiming as a cut.
For Doak. Totti puts it behind for a corner.
Yeah, the ones again.
Heads for the byline. Oh, and look where Jimenez was. And a goal kick's been given.